and welcome to Home Cleaning Pro Module 1. Before you begin, in this video we'll go over the following items: home etiquette and home rules, proper dress, the 10 general rules of cleaning, tasks for 2 and 3 person teams, pre-home checks and supplies lists, initial cleanings versus regular cleanings, and entering the home. Congratulations on your decision to pursue a career in the home cleaning industry. The home cleaning industry is growing at a rapid rate. Hiring a home cleaner used to be viewed as a luxury, but as more men and women enter the workforce, for many it's come to be viewed as a necessity. You've chosen an exciting career with endless possibilities and opportunities. Along with that growth has come advanced techniques, tools, and systems that ensure high-quality home cleaning consistently. The Home Cleaning Pro training method is a proven system based on years of research and observation. Throughout this series of videos, you will learn the most advanced techniques for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, dusting a home, cleaning floors, and everything in between. But cleaning someone else's home is about more than just the cleaning itself. It's about the smile we put on the client's face. It's about the peace of mind we give them with a clean home. That's our goal. So let's get started. We'll begin by talking about home etiquette and home rules. When you enter a home, you always want to be the first one to speak to the client and the last to say goodbye. Never enter a home and express surprise at how nice or fancy the home is. One may think this is a compliment to the client, but clients normally view this as unprofessional and it makes them uncomfortable. If you would like to compliment the home, tell the client calmly they have a lovely home. It is a very personal thing to allow a stranger into your home. Respect the client's privacy by never looking through their stuff, peering into their pictures, or reading their papers. Always knock and never barge in on a client. Try to keep the home quiet. Never shout across a house or a room to another team member or client. Do not slam or move things loudly. Keep the home peaceful. If a client comes to speak with you, stop what you are doing